filming on my bike. Oh crap, car. Oh. Ain't I a ding dong? Ha! Right now I'm riding on a very nice bike. It's pretty unique to me. Or subscribe if you're part of the Brent team or the 2009 team. So please don't subscribe, leave a like, and tell me if I'm actually showing parts of it. Yeah. So please don't describe. Please subscribe. It would be really nice to gain 10,000 subscribers. But if you guys leave 20,000 likes, I'll do a video where I do a front flip off either out of a tree or off a garbage can. So if you guys want to see me do that, make it 20,000 likes. Let's just get back to biking. So here's the picture of beautiful views.